How to block an app on Play Store. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily restrict access to an app on Play Store. First thing first, you're gonna have to open a Play Store application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So restricting an app works if you have parental controls. So if you don't want your child to access certain apps or apps that are made for certain age groups, you can do that by turning on parental controls. Tap on the profile at the top right. Then from here, simply head over to settings menu and you'll find the family option right here. Click on the drop down and then from here, click on parental controls. So first thing you're going to have to do is turn parental controls on, and you're just going to have to set up a PIN. Tap on OK. Now confirm your PIN, tap on OK again, and now your parental controls are successfully turned on if you tap on it. So under apps and games, you can select apps that are allowed for certain age groups. So parental controls allows you to purchase and download certain apps. So if your kid is rated for 7 plus and not less than 7, or it's between 7 and 12 years old, you could choose rated for 7 plus, and it will go up to 11. So tap on save, and now you can only access those games and apps which are rated for 7 plus. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.